Let's see how you can easily create a website AI chatbot widget that can simply answer to your customers' questions about your own business and collect details as well. So here I'm in a demo icon. Here you can actually have one channel called as web chat, and here if you click on web chats, here you can actually create any number of website chat widget and install on your website as well. So before that, you have to actually create the AI chatbot or AI agent as well, so that we can actually use that specific AI agent on your website chat widget, and you can actually use the same on other channels too. Like you can actually install the same AI agent or AI chatbot on the Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other channels too, including the website as well. So first of all, let me go to the AI hub where you can actually create any sort of AI agents or AI chatbot for your own business. So let me use one existing one right here. All right, for example, here we have some about a fitness industry and for fitness. So let me open this one. So here let's see what we have right here. So here it says you are the customer service assistant for this company, respond in 1 to 2 sentences, and here request a gym membership request to collect specific details as well. So it says trigger gym membership request AI function. For membership request, trigger send images AI function when customer request for the images as well. So here we have two AI functions to send for two specific tasks, such as one is for the gym membership request and other one is for the send images as well. So here you can find those AI functions right here. All right, and apart from that, we have all the information about that specific company, and here they have opening hours, about the company, services they provide, pricing information, and other details as well. And here you can also upload specific PDF files and select those files right here, so that the AI agent or AI chatbot can simply answer to the customer's question based on that information as well. And here if you click on this option, here you have the option to set specific models you are planning to use. So if you have connected to OpenAI, you can select any sort of OpenAI models, and here if you have connected cloud, you can use any sort of OpenAI cloud models right here. Likewise, you can actually choose any sort of AI models, and here when you have connected multiple AI models such as OpenAI Cloud, Gemini, XAI, here you can set the priority as well. First of all, it will try to generate a response from the OpenAI, and only if fails, it will go to the next AI model right here, so that your AI chatbot will work 24/7 even if one AI or a platform goes down as well. All right, and here you have other options like temperature, max tokens, and other things as well. For now, let me click save over here, and here you have to make this one as the default agent as well. Set as the default agent. All right, from here it will simply work on all these connected channels, including the web chat. For the web chat, let me go back to the specific AI agent over here and copy the specific name, which is the business name over here. All right, and let me come back to the web chats over here, and here you can actually see this template installed already on your accounts. You can simply make a duplicate of this one. So make a duplicate of this one. All right, and here you can make the add the business name as you wish, and here you can set the welcome message flow as well. So you can actually create a new flow and set the welcome message flow. Otherwise, you can go to the flow section, free templates, and check for the website AI chatbot widget, and here the welcome message for the website template. So this is the exact welcome message for the website template flow right here. Here you can edit this message as you wish. So when they click on the website chat widget, this message will be sent to them, and you can also set the website to automatically open in a few seconds as well. So here you have to enter the website address where you want to install the chat widget. For now, let me keep as empty, and here you can set conversation starters and other things as well. Apart from that, you can actually set specific menu as well. For example, let me change the color of this one. Right, all right, I have updated the color as well, and click save. All right, it has been saved. So here let me rename this one with the specific company name. All right, and here you can click on this get code option. All right, and click on customize and simply paste the code. Here you can find the preview of the website chat widget. So here you can see the color I chose, and if you want a gradient background, you can do that as well. So you can use a different gradient background as you wish, and if you want to change the icon completely, you can enter the icon URL, change the icon size as you wish right here. And here welcome bubble, so here it says click here to chat with us. So if you want to disable this welcome bubble, you can do that, it gone. If you want to enable, it says click here to chat with us, and you can even change this message as well. Let me change this one as do you have any fitness needs, and here you can change the font size, other things as well. And another important thing is that automatically open the chat widget. So here when you install the chat widget on your website, it will look like this on your website, but only if they click on this chat widget it will send the messages. But here you have to automatically open the chat widget as well. So you can actually set specific time frame for this chat widget to automatically open and send the specific welcome message for the users as well. So if you enable this option, by default it says 5 seconds. So in 5 seconds this chat widget will get automatically open and send us the welcome message as well. So here it says the business message, business name, and it simply says, well, welcome to demo, how can I help you today? So this is the specific welcome message we have here. So you can actually change this one as you wish as well. So now if a particular customer asks any sort of question, it will simply respond to them as well. So let me say, what services do you provide? So here I ask about the services and it should actually send us a response right here. So it says these are the services they provide, simple as that. So here this is just a demo. So if you are wondering how to install this on your website, you can scroll down right here. You will see final chat widget code for your website with all the customizations. So here I have made few customizations, such as I have changed the welcome bubble to do you have any fitness needs, I have updated the gradient background, and also I automatically open the chat widget in 5 seconds. So if you want to change the time frame, you can update this one as well. So now once you have made all these customizations, you can simply scroll down and copy the final chat widget code for your website. Simply copy this one. All right, it has been copied. So now you can simply go to your website and install this code and it will show the chat widget on your website. So just for the demo, let me go to the flow section and let me create a sample landing page over here and show you. So let me say website just for the flow, and here you can actually add the landing page as well. So here landing page element, so you can think this one as the website. So let me say add your website. All right, your website, and here you have to add the code. So add the code element or HTML code element and simply paste the code you have just copied. All right, I have pasted that code. So now you have to simply publish this one and here preview this one. So this is the website, this is the chat widget. So in 5 seconds it will automatically open and send us the specific welcome message right there. Simple as that. So now if I ask any sort of question, it will simply respond to the as well. So now if I go back to the AI hub and let me open this AI agent or a chatbot, and here the address is this one. So let me ask about the address and see how this actually works. What is your address? All right, let's see what happens. So it says our main branch is at this particular address, and we also have the second branch in this area as well. And here likewise, if they ask any sort of question, it will simply answer as well, and based on the AI function it can collect specific customer details as well. All right, and that's a quick video on how you can easily build a website AI chatbot widget. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.